Sedimentary rocks form as layer upon layer of sediment accumulates. These strata, or beds, are the single most characteristic feature of sedimentary rocks. Each layer is unique. The variations among strata reflect the conditions under which each layer was deposited. Sedimentary rocks exhibit a variety of features that help us to interpret past geological conditions. For example, sand dunes consist of sloping structures called crossbeds. The sandstone in Zion National Park exhibits crossbedding from an ancient dune field. When ripple marks like these are preserved in rock, they indicate an environment dominated by moving air or water.
What number is that? 26?
When mud cracks are preserved, they indicate alternating wet and dry conditions and are associated with such places as desert basins and shallow lakes. Fossils preserved in sedimentary rock are important clues to past environments. Fossils like these indicate this region was once covered by a tropical coal swamp. The sizes of particles in sedimentary rocks provide useful information about environments of deposition. Currents of water and air sort particles by size. The stronger the current, the larger the particle size carried. For example, in very turbulent water, only large gravel-sized particles can settle out, whereas fine particles settle in the quiet waters of a swamp, lake, or lagoon. The mineral composition of a rock can also contribute useful information about past environments. For example, evaporites can indicate an arid setting, and certain limestones, like coquina, can indicate a warm, shallow marine environment. As each sedimentary layer is added, select the most appropriate environment. Place the rock name above the most appropriate environment name with which it is associated.
Where would you find cross-bedded sandstone? Quiet lake, glacial deposit, salt flats, dunes, or coral reef? Did you say dune? Where would you find a conglomerate? Did you say a glacial deposit? What about a rock salt? Did you say salt flats? Maybe. Is this a question? I'm having a hard time.
Perhaps the single most obvious characteristic of sedimentary rocks is
Strata or crossbedding? What do you think? Did you say strata? Strata means layers. So something to look for when you look at your rock lab next is going to be that there's going to be layers.
which one of the following is associated with crossbedding? Mud cracks indicate a history of
What do you guys think? Did you say letter B? Good job.
fern fossils embedded in sedimentary rocks indicate In general, where a sedimentary rock consists of large particles, the following can be said. Water and air tend to sort particles. The faster the water or air moves, the size of the particle that can be carried.
What do you think? You say larger?
Mineral composition can provide information about conditions that existed when the rock was formed. Evaporites indicate conditions existed during the formation period.
What do you think? Did you say flood? No. What'd you say? Swampy? Oh man. What do you think? Let's see. Oh yeah.